The empire on which the sun never set. The Spanish maintained a huge empire for a long time, and here we attempt to decipher their policies and how they achieved supremacy. It was the fifth largest empire in the world and spanned almost all the continents from west to east. It became the foremost global power in the 17th and 18th centuries and influenced trade and political issues all over the world till its downfall many years later. The empire was called the one on which the sun would never set. The empire flourished during the age of discovery, with Christopher Columbus heading many expeditions and bringing back number of accounts of flourishing civilizations. It had number of territories, and this they achieved with the help of Columbus. The Spanish Empire enjoyed prosperity during the 18th century, when Spain had extended its colonies, and with reforms within the country, its trade also grew steadily. Its defeat of the British fleet is a crucial battle, gave it control over the Indies, and secured its dominance over the Americans till the 19th century. The dominance of Spain left behind a legacy where the language was the official language in many countries and is spoken by only second to Mandarin. At the zenith of Spanish rule, half of America was ruled by them. The Spanish fleet was considered to be all-powerful and given the name of the Spanish Armada. It had won many battles and conquered many areas for Spain. But its ruin came in the war with England, where it faced total defeat. The army, called the Conquistadors, had heaped the mother country with riches, and silver was found in plenty in the territories occupied. This flourish all ended when the Spanish Wars of Independence gained momentum. Once the force to be reckoned with, this empire lost its foundation, and the only glory that remained was the language still being spoken.